Hi all, welcome to the Warby Academy. Today topic is Python basics and Python syntax, Python indentation and Python variable. Let us see the theoretical way and after that I will show you the implementation, how we can achieve the indentation, how we can declare the variable, how we can utilize it in our program. Okay. Okay, where we can run our programs, Python program is like we can run the Python program in terminal or the IDE also we can run. For example, I will take the example hello world program, the print open bracket and here the double quote I'm giving, you can give the single quote also, the close the double quote and close the bracket. Then if you give this in it your terminal, it is going to give you the hello word. Okay, and similarly you can run this it in the IDE also. There are the various IDEs are there, depends upon you how which ID you guys are going to use it. Okay, I will show you the other way. We can create the Python file with the .py file extension in the server, and then we can execute this created file as follows in the terminal. First, we need to give the Python and sample.py. If it is you are using the Python 3 means you can mention the Python 3 dot sample.py. This is the file name. Okay. Output here is the hello world. I have written the simple.py file. I have written the only hello word only. Okay. So if you write the whatever the other program also, it is going to display the similar way only. Okay. And let us see how the indentation is going to work here. What is the indentation? Indentation is used to structure the Python code. Okay, and how it is going to benefit us. Let us see about that also. And it is going to reduce the error. In the other programming, will be using the we are not using the indentation. There will be come out once you will compile that, now will be come up with a many error, all those things. Here we are maintaining the proper indentation, will be reducing the error if you are using them. And code readability become very easy here, and anyone can read this code and all the things. Obviously if the errors are not there and readability is easy, and it will increase our efficiency. And we can code within if it is in other language, it is taking like the 3 hours means, in the Python we can do it in within 1.5 an hours or the 1 hours. It is a depends upon the code complexity and the code requirement also. Okay, and let us see the Python indentation disadvantages. There are the various disadvantages also is there. If you copy pasting the exact code here, if you do that, it will create the some issues, indentation issues, and that is the disadvantages here. And flexibility will not be there. Obviously if the copy paste is not working, flexibility will not be there. It will take the more time. If you copy paste, for example, if you after the copy paste you need to do the indentation again, we need to remove the error, all the things we need to do. And maintenance will not be easy as compared to the other programming language. These are the disadvantages, and I have told you about the advantages also. Let us see the what are the examples, how we can give the examples. Okay, I have taken the example. I am comparing the 10 and 20 here. I have used the if condition here, and if the 10 is greater than 20, then print the 10 is not greater than 20 I am mentioning, and else 20 is greater than 10, like this I am mentioning here. The obviously this is going to false, so else statement is going to display it here. Okay, and 20 is greater than 20 is greater than 10, it's going to display. Okay, and no error code. If the indentation issue, what the indentation exactly the issue, like the if condition everything is fine, and see here as here and here, I have not maintained the indentation, I have not given the space here, and I will be going to execute this code. And what is the output I'll be getting here is the print here, indentation error, expected indented block after if statement on the line 1. After the if statement, it is expecting the indentation. Give the space. It is saying we need to see this error and we need to correct this, then execute it. Okay, I will show you the practical way. And syntax error. What are the syntax error you may come across? For example, you may miss the open bracket and close bracket and the colon in case of the if you are mentioning if or the else condition, while or the condition will be using. Na? Here the syntax error I have recreated here is I have not given the colon here after the if condition here. Okay, so and I have maintained the indentation. I have given on space here also space colon I have given for the else statement also. See here I have if I execute this query na, so what is the error I am getting is syntax error, clearly not the indentation error. If it is the indentation, then it is going to give the indentation error, but it is going to give the syntax error here. Expected colon it is saying you have to give the colon here, the error will get gone and it is going to display the things. Okay, and now we have saw the syntax and the indentation and the syntax error also we saw. Now let us see the Python variable. What the exactly the Python variable, how we are going to utilize it, whether we are going to declare that or not. Now let us see this. When you give the something value, the variable is created. In other language, we have to declare the data types, then variable, then we'll be assigning the values. Here we are not declaring the any data types, it is automatically managed by the Python itself. Okay, I have taken the example here. For example, I have mentioned a is equal to 8. I have not mentioned the data types here, whether it is the int, float or anything. I have not mentioned. The Python, it is going to based on my value assignment, it is going to automatically it will detect the data types of it. And b is equal to urbi academy I have mentioned, and this is equal to 1.5 I have mentioned, d is equal to true I have mentioned. And this can be checked whether the what are data types the data it contains. How we can check is check the data type using the type command. We are going to use the type keyword we are going to use here, and type that value you give, the output is int. Type b string, and type c float because 1.5 is there, right? And type d the boolean. Okay, and similarly, and I am going to demonstrate the some of the example using the variable. So I want to add the two integers, print the output. Two integers I have taken the example, a equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 1 plus B I have taken, and I am printing this the value as a C, and output I am expecting. See here, instead of 1 you can put 1, and 3 here it will become 3, right? 3 total 3 na 3, that value I am storing it in the C, that is also integer only. So you can see here the print output is 3, and combining the two strings, the what are the strings I have taken is the string 1 is Urbi and string 2 is the Urbi Academy. I am combining these two using the which operator plus sign. I am combining this. Okay, I want some spaces in it, means the between the plus you give the double quote, and then you give the whatever the space or the tabs are there na, you can give it, so that it is going to print the whatever the desired result. I am expecting the result is the Urbi Academy, and it is going to give the Urbi Academy once I will execute it. Now we'll see the how we can implement this. Okay, and now we saw the theoretical part. Let us see the how we are going to execute it. Okay, and let us see in the two way I'm going to display that. I will show you how we can do this. Okay, uh, you can see here hello world. Okay, the hello word it has been printed, right? The print, if I miss this syntax, I'm going to show you how the syntax error will get displayed here. Okay, what is it saying? The syntax error it is showing, right? And incomplete input here means incomplete input means okay. Okay, for example, I will add this and I will remove this. Let us see what is going to happen. Syntax error unmatched. This one it is not matching, it is showing. So for this I will match it, and I will execute it. Okay, and you can use the run option also, the shift enter also, it is going to work. Okay, and other example I'm going to show you here is, so I have created the python .py file in the, I have stored the sample.py. Let me go here, I will show you that. Okay, let me log into my Ubuntu. Just it is loading, and you can see here I'll show you what I have written in the sample.py file. Okay, so that I will execute that. How to execute also I will show you. Mm, See here, the I have written the print hello world. Okay, so how you can print is here python sample.py. Okay, here the python 3 I need to mention because this contains the python 3. Okay, that is the reason I have to mention the python 3 here. See here, hello world it came, right? So if you can run the python the codes in the this terminal also, I will show you that. Python 3, it has opened, right? We can do this print open hello boss, like this. Say hello boss, it came na. If you want to exit means you can do this by using this. Okay, it has exited the python command line. Okay, now let us move on to the other example. Indentation example we are going to see here. Okay, the no error code. So I am going to show you this. Okay, whether the 20 is greater than it is coming or not, let us see. I'm going to execute it, and I'm going to show you guys. You can use the run button also. See here, 20 is greater than 10, it is coming, right? The if statement false, that is the reason if statement is not executed, else statement got executed. Okay, and let us see the second one, indentation issue. When the indentation, here I have not maintained an indentation issue. Let us see, it should give the indentation error for me. Okay, I'm going to show you here. See here, indentation error, where the error we are missing, the after the at the line number 2, at the line number 2, see here it is going to give the line number 2. I will show you the line number 2 if I correct that indentation. Okay, now I will execute it here. The 20 is greater than it is showing, right? So that is how we need to do that. Okay, and let us try the other example, the syntax error. The syntax error, how the syntax is error is going to come here is syntax error. Okay, see here, syntax error. I have not given the colon here. That is the reason at the line number 1, line number also it is going to give the expected is colon syntax error. It will show the clearly identification error of the syntax based on this clue only, and the line number also go ahead and fix it. See it. If I do that, it is going to uh, execute properly. And let us see and how we can do this. We will execute, and I will see, I will show you the how the variables are declared. Okay, and let me execute. Okay, mm, I'm assigning the individual value here. Okay, we can assign the value at a time also. Okay, I want to see the where what is there in the a value. A is 8, right? Similarly, we can do print b also, or b academy it is there na. The print c also 1.5 is there. The print d what I am containing is the true. Okay, let us see the what is the data type of the a, data type of b, and data type of c. As I have explained you, it's automatically it is going to detect. Okay, let us see. Type keyword only we are going to use. Type of a is int. 8 value is there na, int. type of B is string, type of C is float, type of D is equal to bool. Okay, these are the things we can check. What is the value it contains and what is the type of that data types also we can check. You guys also start using this Jupyter notebook. It is very easy to understand and it is very easy to mm, practice the things. Okay, and for how to download and how to install an every system, I have already made the videos. Please do check my YouTube channel. Okay, and let me move on to the other example here, adding the two integer and print the output. Okay, let me take this one and I will show you I am expecting the output as the 3 here. Here output is 3. How the 3 is, A has been assigned to 1 has been assigned to 1, 2 has been assigned to B, and I am adding the A plus B. A value is 1, B value is 2. It will come to 3, and 3 has been stored in 3 C, and I am printing the C values here 3's. And let us see the string example here, combining the two strings. Let me show you. I am expecting the output as Urbi Academy, whether it is going to give the exactly or not. Let us see. Yes, I am the Urbi, and I am expecting the single value here. I want in between, I want something else. I don't want the, now the space is coming. Now I know I don't want the space. I want the underscore means also I can print that. See here, Urbi Academy. Based on our requirement, we can change it. There is no problem with it. And I would like to show you the one more thing also here. Okay, and n n m comma n equal to and 10 comma 20. Like this also you can assign the multiple values at a time. Okay, see here, the print m is 10 and print n is equal to 20. Now like this you can execute the things. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.